Good afternoon. Welcome. It's Sunday. I just want to take up just a little bit of your time today. I found an exciting opportunity. It's a business opportunity that you don't have to pay to get into. It is a free system. So this is my um, easy earned commissions review best bonus video for you. And like I say, I like to keep my videos about 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes short because I know you're real busy. Everyone has such a busy schedule. So let's get to it. And I don't have the sales page. I'm not going to do the sales page. This is basically a free opportunity. It's the core videos are like 3 core videos that you even need to worry about. The upgrades, I'm not even going to talk about the upgrades right now because you do not need the upgrades. No out-of-pocket expenses except for the necessity tools, which is going to be a domain, hosting, a URL tracker, so you can do campaigns and track your URLs, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in the description box for you. I'm going to put also a URL that you can click on to go to Fiverr, because you're going to need a page builder, and you can get it for like $5 or $6 at Fiverr.com, and really cool. So you can actually even build funnels with the pro version of InstaBuilder. That's what I have. So like I say, I mean, you can get started for like with just your tools, 15, 20 bucks, and then you're going to be going, you're going to start making like 100. It just all depends on how much work you put into it. You're not going to have nothing if you get this together and you don't do anything every day. So you got to do that. So you have to take action, implement what you learned, and just do it every day. But back to easy earned commissions. This is a really cool system. The creator is Chuck. Like I say, I don't have the sales page out right now. I just want to make this quick video, short video, letting you know that I was really excited about getting into it and watching the video, watching Chuck explain just how easy it is. You just share a simple website and you get commissions just by sharing it, and someone signs up for free. That's pretty cool. Then what you want to do is once you get to like 25 bucks, 50 bucks, you go ahead and scale. You want to scale your business. You want to go ahead and put money into the upgrade so you can get into a different tier so you can make more commissions. Okay, so you're starting out really with just, you have to just get your basic necessity tools, your web hosting, domain, and your InstaBuilder. Okay, you can do tutorials if you don't know how to install WordPress, but I mean, there's YouTube. You can go ahead and just figure it out in YouTube how to install WordPress. It's one click, super easy. I'm not going to explain that right now, but that's easy stuff. 15, 20 bucks gets you started. I got an incredible knock your socks off bonus that has traffic and video software, just all kinds. It's like a marketing suite of tools for you to use, so you can really use that in your business and start making money. It might be 25 to 50 bucks a day, but that's realistic. That's what you're gonna make when you first get started. You're not gonna make $500 a day. You know, with the sales pages that you see that, you know, make $400 in 24 hours, that doesn't happen unless you're already tapped into some marketer's super campaign or something where he has 500,000 leads, you know, through his Facebook ads manager. I don't know. I'm just throwing that out there, but just realistically, $25 to $50. Put that money into the upgrades of the system, an easy earned commissions system. Make sure you go through the video, check out video 4. Go ahead and check it out, you know, 2 or 3 times so you can really get it in your head at what you need to do. This is really going to help you in your business. Remember, no out-of-pocket expenses except for your necessity tools. Okay, this is Ryan from Ryan's Marketing World. You're going to want to go ahead and click on the link. I have a couple extra links down there. Go ahead and just click on the link below, and I'll be sending you an email pretty shortly, today or tomorrow, letting you know to start your first lesson and get going. And then in that email, I'll have my bonus for you. And like I say, this is a really killer bonus that is really relevant to the make money online niche. And I know that's what you're in. That's what I'm in. I love it. We have a passion for it. So I'm glad I could talk to you for, let's see, just under 5 minutes. I don't want to take much of your time, just get to the meat and potatoes, but try not to talk too fast. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. This is Ryan from Ryan's Marketing World. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon, and I'll be sending you an email shortly, probably within a day or two. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.